An amazing sound by an amazing machine. And off it goes. And it has taken off. A big round of applause, guys. Look how impressive it looks. Look how it dominates the sky. The roar of its engine, and it's upside down. Crazy flying. Impressive piloting skills by Mr. Somnath. You can feel the presence it has in the air. A 55cc gas engine gives this plane strong and steady power. And this impressive maneuver by Mr. Somnath.
केरोसिन
चलो गैस बोल रहा तू केरोसिन बोल
केरोसिन का गैस भी तो होता है भाई, जिससे तुम्हारा आरसी कार चलता है। गैसोलीन हो सकता है, गैसोलीन सूरज।
Crazy series of rolls. Look at the agility, the control that Mr. Somnath has over his aircraft. Big petrol powered planes like this are all about authority, and this one shows it. As he brings the RCA lap roll,